Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iOS 17.4 battery draining fast issue on iPhone and iPad. Many people are experiencing unusual battery drain issue after updating to iOS 17.4. While normally battery drain issue is resolved once a phone is updated to the latest version, but it does not seem to be the case for some. Till the time the issue is resolved by Apple, you might want to know how to fix iOS 17.4 battery draining by yourself. So let's get start the video and let me show you how you can fix it. So the first step is make sure to quit all the apps running in the background. Probably the easiest way to stop app from eating into a large chunk of battery is to force quit the app when they are not in use. Simply you can open the app switcher and then swipe up to close all the apps. Once you have done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is turn off location services. Not for nothing, location services is considered to be one of the most power hungry feature. Therefore, make sure to take control of it smartly, otherwise it will alone drain a large chunk of battery and even cause a overheating problem. Simply you can go to settings and then select privacy and security and turn off the location services if it's already turned on. Then move on to the next step. The next step is disable background app refresh. Just like location services, the background app refresh also a power tracking feature. So the background app refresh does allow app to refresh in the background and remain proactive. It consumes plenty of battery. Make sure to disable it and prevent the iOS 17 battery drain issue. You can simply go to settings and then click on general, click on background app refresh and then simply select off. Once you've done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is turn off automatic download and updates. iOS allow you to automatically download apps on the device when connected with the same Apple ID for seamless experience. To ensure you don't have manually update apps, it lets you update app automatically. Though it's a very full helpful feature, you should disable both of these features to improve the battery. Simply you can go to settings and then select App Store and then make sure that the app downloads and app update is turned off and also the automatic download is turned off. Once you've done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is force restart your iPhone or iPad. Many times you can get rid of the battery drain issue on your iPhone through a hard reset. It's worth giving a try. Simply you can press the volume up and power button to force restart your iPhone. So once you've done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is remove weather widgets from both home screen and lock screen. So if you have added the weather widgets on the home screen or lock screen, make sure you remove them. Then move on to the next step. The next step is enable dark mode. Apart from the enhancing the viewing experience, dark mode also improves the battery life. Therefore, make sure to take full advantage of this notable feature. You can go to settings, click on display and brightness and select the dark mode. Once you've done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is update all apps. Go to App Store, then click on this user icon and click on update all apps. Then move on to the next step. The next step is enable low power mode. You can, if you have added the shortcut to your control, you can turn it on from here, or you can go to setting and battery to turn it on. So that's all for today. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.